In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product feed in Google Merchant Center. First, open your browser and search for Google Merchant Center. In the results, choose the official Merchant Center site from Google. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account connected to your business. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one so your products appear in the right place. Inside Merchant Center, go to Settings, then open Data Sources. If you see the classic layout, this section may be labeled Feeds. It's the same area. Here, click the plus icon to add a new product source. This starts the feed setup. You'll be asked how you want to provide your product data. You can upload a file, connect a Google Sheet, or use the Content API. Choose the option that matches how you manage your catalog. If you're adding products from a file, prepare a CSV, TSV, or XML with clear column headers that match Google's required attributes such as ID, title, description, link, image link, price, availability, condition, and brand identifiers. Keep text plain, avoid extra formatting, and make sure your links work. In the setup, upload the file or point to a scheduled fetch URL if your file lives on a server. Scheduled fetch is helpful if your prices change often. If you're using Google Sheets, you can start from Google's template or connect an existing sheet. The template includes the main attributes you need, which makes it easier to avoid mistakes. Enter one product per row and double-check currency, availability values, and image URLs. When you link the sheet, allow Merchant Center to access it so updates can sync. If you're adding products using the API, select the Content API option. This is best when you have a developer workflow and want near real-time updates. You'll configure your system to send the same attributes programmatically. Next, provide the supporting information the setup requests. That might be a direct file upload, a public feed URL for scheduled fetch, or the link to your Google Sheet. Confirm the target country and language, and give the feed a clear name so your team can recognize it later. When everything looks good, click Create Feed or Continue. Merchant Center will process the data and surface any issues in diagnostics. Give it a few minutes, review warnings or errors, and fix anything it flags. That's it. You've created a product feed and connected your catalog to Merchant Center.